Again, I call it a raw diet. This is raw, this is raw, this is raw, this is raw. But the reason why I cook the eggs, I do not hard boil them. Do not hard boil the eggs. But it's an absolute fact that the white of the egg is better assimilated when cooked than raw. The yolk of the egg should be raw because it has the vitamins. So when you cook the yolk, you actually devalue the protein, the nutrients, but the albumin, the egg white, is a little harder to digest raw than it is cooked. So that is why a soft boiled egg, which to me means if you put eggs in room temperature water, bring it to a boil. As soon as it starts boiling, count yourself 2.5 minutes and take it off and run cold water on it. And that 2.5 minutes will be a perfect soft boil. So what that does is it cooks the white and leaves the yolk intact, and that's the most nutritious for the dog. And I also include the eggshells. These vitamins are in case I miss anything. I've got 10 dogs. I use 5 vitamins. I break them in half. I toss them in a dog dish. Break them in half. Toss them in a dog dish. This here is the veggie mix that we made earlier with the juicer, and this is just 3 tablespoons per dog. It gives me 10. Sometimes it's 2.5, sometimes it's 4, depending on how much I stick in here. But wonderful, wonderful nutrients for the dog. And then this is, what in the world is this? This is lard. Why do I use lard? I'll show you in a minute. When I break off the vitamin pieces, sometimes the dogs will just leave them there at the bottom of their dish. Okay, if I take a little glop of lard and stick the vitamin in the middle of it, and throw it in there, the dog will just hoover up the glop of lard, and it's just